Former Deputy Minister of Finance and the long-serving ZANU-PF legislator for Mutoko, David Chapfika, died under suspicious circumstances on Thursday morning after his vehicle collided with another car and plunged off a bridge into a water-lodged riverbed, raising questions about the cause of the crash. Zanabana mashoko avhundutsa vanhu tionekwa kunzi aiwa the former minister aiwa of finance panguva ino aiwa voshamisa vanhu mafiro avaitika nematsakatiro avaita tinonyatsoonekwa kunzi aiwa mafiro awa araisa maspeculations nemaquestions. Don't subscribe or like on the bell icon. Even about this mysterious death, the accident occurred near the Muvunzi River Bridge, Stondon, approximately 30 kilometers north of Harare, and about 6 kilometers past the old Mutoko Road toll gate. According to early reports, Chapfika Mercedes-Benz ML collided with an oncoming vehicle before veering off the bridge and crashing into the river below. Chapfika, aged 68, was a respected veteran of both Zimbabwe's banking sector and the political landscape. He also founded the Universal Merchant Bank, Unibank, which later collapsed in 2002, slightly tarnishing his legacy in finance. As a politician, Chapfika represented Mutoko North, Mutoko South, Mutoko East at different times and held senior positions in government. He served as Deputy Minister of Finance, later Deputy Minister of Agriculture, chaired the Finance Committee in Parliament, and became the first chairman of the National Indigenization and Economic Empowerment Board. He was also a member of the Powerful Rules and Orders Committee. Chapfika's death has raised alarm among some of the associates and observers, particularly because of his historical ties to the late General Solomon Mujuru and his widow, Joyce Mujuru. Our government channels have attributed David Chapfika's death to a road traffic accident. His sudden demise amid renewed political tensions has left many unconvinced. Zimbabweans online have begun to ask whether another prominent figure linked to the Mujuru faction has made a violent end in a political climate where dissent, even if subtle, remains dangerous. Thomas Kwarubuda Pangoa ine Pamsana El Pakutsakatika Kwaita this former finance minister. When I comment section, I do some of the pansro each. So subscribe or like, hit on the bell icon.